The Immortal game is one of the most famous and celebrated games in chess history. Played in 1851 in London, it is renowned for its breathtaking attacks and daring sacrifices that define the romantic era of chess. Adolf Anderssen is playing with white pieces versus Lionel Kieseritsky. Adolf makes his first move to e4. White opens with the king's pawn, claiming the center boldly. e5. Black mirrors the move, accepting the classical battle. 2. f4. The king's gambit. White sacrifices a pawn for rapid development and attack. exf4. Black accepts the challenge and grabs the pawn. 3. bc4. White immediately targets the vulnerable f7 square. qh4 plus. An early check. Black brings the queen out aggressively. 4. kf1. White calmly steps aside, refusing to weaken further. b5. Black counterattacks the bishop, very risky, but ambitious. 5. bxb5. White accepts the pawn and keeps pressure alive. nf6. Black develops and attacks the e4 pawn. 6. nf3. White blocks the check threat and prepares development. qh6. The queen retreats, keeping an eye on the king side. 7. d3. White solidifies the center. nh5. Black eyes the f4 square and prepares defense. 8. nh4. White attacks the queen and increases kingside pressure. qg5. The queen escapes and stays active. 9. nf5. A powerful knight jump. White threatens decisive attacks. c6. Black tries to chase the bishop and gain space. 10. g4. White launches a pawn storm, no fear, only attack. nf6. Black retreats, already feeling the heat. Now the time for rook. 11. rg1 played. The rook joins the kingside assault. cxb5. Black finally captures the bishop, but at what cost? Now we can see the sacrifices being made. Chess immortality is born. 12. h4. White opens more lines toward the black king. qg6. The queen retreats defensively. 13. h5. White drives the queen further back. qg5. 14. qf3. White aligns queen and rook toward the king. ng8. Black's pieces are cramped and passive. 15. bxf4. White regains material and keeps attacking momentum. Black safeguards his queen and moves to qf6. 16. nc3. Now knight joins the battle. bc5. 17. nd5. A knight leaps into the heart of enemy territory. Queen takes pawn on b2 eyeing to capture rook. qxb2. Now comes the immortal finish. 18. bd6. A stunning move. White ignores the rook loss and tightens the net. bxg1. Black captures another rook, now hugely ahead in material. 19. 5. A brilliant pawn sacrifice to open deadly lines. Black captures the rook on a1 and gives check. White defends. 20. k2. The king steps forward, no fear. Now 6 just developing his knight. White captures g7 pawn to give check. Black responds with kd8 to get rid of check. 22. qf6 plus. Now another sacrifice, and this time it's queen. Absolute brilliance. Knight captures queen on f6, and now comes the inevitable checkmate move. 23. b7 harsh. Checkmate. Only bishops and knights deliver the final blow. No queen. No rooks. Just pure genius. Why this game is immortal. Material fades. Creativity lasts forever. This game defines romantic chess, where imagination defeats calculation.